Okay, hi everyone again. I'm coming on to do the assembly of the large birdhouse. Again, I will be leaving the inside bare, so I'm not fussed about having a wee bit of glue on the inside, that's fine with me. And the same with the roof panels, I like them to be removable. I don't like them stuck down because I like to be able to take it off and use this as a storage unit. So we've got our two side panels, the other two sides, and our base. So that's what we're starting with. These don't need to be looked at because, as I said, I'm not sticking them down. Okay, so what I do is, what I've shown you before, is just place our items, and the best way to tell if it's going to put together is, that's obviously not going to work, so I am going to turn that one, put that like that, and then lift this to check it's going to gable fine. Lift that, it's going to gable fine. Then take my other panel and just slot that up, make sure that's going to fit fine, which it is, and then I will let them collapse out so I can add my glue. Okay, that really wasn't the one I was looking for. There's one under on the shelf. Excuse me, I had to get a wee drink there, but he brought me the wrong can. He brought me one with a sliver at the bottom of it. Anyway, so I've got my tacky glue. Any PVA will work. Wood glue is fine. But as I said, I have been using this for a long time and I've never had a problem with it. So I'm just slightly separating it so that this will go right into the grooves, because as I said, I do use this for storage, and with it being a larger unit, I want to make sure that it is well glued. Excuse all the noise, but Jaden had been leaving things in my craft room and I've asked him to move them. So he's making a bit of a hoo-ha about it.
It's not our fault, it's things fault.
Right, and again, just along here, just and as I said, I just want to make sure that there's plenty along this so that it's going to stick perfectly. And just bring my finger across it like that. This one I will just add a few of these wee bits there. Again, just put them together with a wee bit of a space and just add that along there like that. And then just push them together, and again just wipe up that excess glue. And as I said, I will not be bothering about the inside. If you are, a baby wipe or a damp cloth will take away those glue residue that you have got there, if it affects you. If you're not bothered, I would suggest just leaving it. If you're going to cover it with paper, again, you don't have to bother because no one will see under it. It's only if you're going to add stains or paint that I would suggest that you need to go in and alter that slightly. There we go. So that's that part done. I'm just going to do this for speed, and I'm just adding my side panel with a bit of glue, and this side. And then all I want to do is just lift my side panels, make sure they're all right, lift this side and butt it up properly, and you'll see that there is a bit of glue coming out the side there. Just put your finger up and wipe it away. And the same with this side. Wipe it away. Whoops. If that happens, don't worry about it. Just put it together again. As I said, it does sometimes happen. It's just... Oops. I must have pressed something.
My blog is stampedjoy.co.uk. Oh, I've been having to play with new stuff. My order comes tomorrow, my haul.
Right, that's that closed. Sorry about that. I had YouTube playing on in the background, I think. Right, so this side, same again. Just a little dab of glue in each hinge. Same with this side. And you can see the bottom one there. I don't actually need to add any glue there because there is actually already glue on that. Okay, then we just raise this up. And I'll turn it around so you can see, but you can see there's a bit of glue coming out. Just put your finger down, bring it up, and that's it away. Same with this side, finger down, bring it up. All gone. What I would suggest for this one is put your roof panels on, because it will help hold it together a bit better. Right, so I'm just placing that on top. But as I said, I'm not sticking these down. These are literally just being placed on. Okay. And you can put an elastic band around it if you wish. Or do what I'm doing and just leave it as it is. But because, as I said, I like to have this as storage. If I'm sending this out as a rack to someone, that gives me a big space to put lots of goodies in. So that's how we assemble our giant bird cage. And as I said, you can go round the sides in the morning once it's dry properly, and any excess wee bits of glue you can sand off from the outside if it bothers you. Personally, it doesn't bother me at all. And to add extra security when I'm decorating this, I will be decorating it with paper. That's just my choice. The glue and the paper will be going over these hinges, so that's going to make it even stronger. If you're adding paint, the paint will give you, because paint, especially acrylic paint has got a plastic resin in it, so that's actually going to seal into your hinges and actually give you a stronger bond. Okay, so I hope that's helped, and I hope that that's made it look a bit simpler to you rather than being frightened by self-assembly products from Fernli Designs, because they are so simple to put together and they can be done in under, I mean, that's 8 minutes, but I've blathered a good bit. So thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye for now.